Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make some guacamole, and if you guys are ready, we are going to get started. So over here guys, I am just cutting out some avocado and prepping them. Of course, you have to go ahead and take out the seeds as well. In the next part, we are going to start chopping our other vegetables. So I'm chopping some red onions, some tomato, and some cilantro. So now that we are done cutting our vegetables, we are going to go ahead and cut our lime. So after cutting everything, you are going to go ahead and set them aside. Now let's make our guacamole. So in this bowl, you want to go ahead and add in all your avocado. So next we are going to go ahead and smash our avocado. So over here I did not smash all the avocado. I left some for just an extra crunch. So you want to mash your avocado to your desired texture. After that, we are going to move on to adding all our vegetables that we previously cut. So after adding everything, you want to go ahead and mix it with a spoon like this. So after mixing every ingredient, we are going to go ahead and add in some lime and salt for taste. So you want to go ahead and taste the guacamole to make sure that it is to your liking. So our last ingredient is going to be our extra avocado that we set aside for that extra crunch. And guys, we have reached the end, and this is it. I just want to say thank you for watching my channel, for subscribing. I'll definitely see you next time when I make something new. Bye.